Hey guys, I wanted to share a few things about my experience with the Blueprint. And the first thing is the training itself. I've learned more than just about making money online. And if you truly allow yourself to become a student to the Blueprint, it will teach you more than just that. I, it's actually changed the way I approach things in life and not just pertaining to working online. Secondly, is the ability to work around your schedule. That was the big thing that attracted me to the Blueprint. It teaches you how to work around your family schedule, how to work around your work schedule. In me particular, I wasn't looking to leave my full-time job. I was just looking for a way to generate a supplemental income around our busy schedule. So, and that was a must for me. So that was really important, being able to work around my schedule and still be able to generate that supplemental income. Those two unique things make the Blueprint a very unique opportunity.